When it comes to woodworking and carpentry, having the right tools can make all the difference between a professional-looking finished product and a project that falls short of expectations. Among the most commonly used tools in this field are the Brad Nailer and the Finish Nailer, two versatile nail guns that often leave DIY enthusiasts and even seasoned professionals wondering which one to choose. At first glance, these tools may seem almost identical, but their differences go far beyond appearances. Each is designed with unique features, nail sizes, and functions that cater to specific tasks, materials, and project requirements. Whether you're installing delicate trim, assembling furniture, or tackling larger structural projects, understanding the strengths and limitations of Brad nailers versus Finish nailers is key to achieving the best results. Should you opt for the precision and finesse of a Brad nailer, or do you need the power and holding strength of a Finish nailer? In this guide, we'll dive deep into their features, characteristics, applications, and more to help you make an informed decision. By the end, you'll not only know which tool is right for your next project, but also gain a deeper appreciation for how these seemingly simple tools can elevate your craftsmanship to new heights. Let's get started. Features and functions. A Brad nailer is designed to fire 18-gauge nails, which are thin and small. These nails are ideal for precision work as they leave minimal holes, often requiring little to no filling. Brad nailers are lightweight, compact, and easy to maneuver, making them perfect for delicate tasks. They are commonly powered by pneumatic systems or batteries, offering flexibility for different work environments. Many models include depth adjustment features to ensure accurate placement of nails without damaging the material. In contrast, a Finish nailer fires thicker 15 or 16-gauge nails with a larger head. These nails provide greater holding power, making Finish nailers suitable for heavier-duty tasks. Finish nailers often include advanced features like angled magazines for better access to tight spaces, adjustable depth settings for precise countersinking, and anti-dry fire mechanisms to prevent damage when the magazine is empty. They can also be pneumatic or cordless, catering to both professional and DIY users. Characteristics and uses. Brad nailers excel in light-duty tasks, such as attaching decorative trims, moldings, or small woodworking pieces. Their thin nails reduce the risk of splitting wood, making them ideal for delicate materials like veneers or softwoods. Brad nailers are also useful for temporary fixes or holding pieces together while glue dries. Because the holes left by Brad nails are small and less visible, they are favored for projects where aesthetics are important. Finish nailers are built for more robust applications like installing baseboards, crown moldings, door casings, and furniture assembly. The thicker nails provide a stronger hold, making them suitable for structural or weight-bearing projects. However, the larger holes left by Finish nails often require filling and sanding to achieve a smooth finish. This makes Finish nailers better suited for projects where strength is prioritized over appearance. Nail size and material. The size and type of nails used by Brad nailers and Finish nailers are key factors that determine their functionality and application. A Brad nailer uses 18-gauge nails, which are thinner and smaller compared to those used by a Finish nailer. These nails typically range from ½ inch to 2 inches in length. The thin profile of Brad nails makes them less conspicuous when driven into the material, leaving smaller holes that often require little to no filling. This is particularly advantageous for projects where aesthetics are a priority. However, due to their smaller size and thinner gauge, Brad nails have limited holding power, making them unsuitable for heavy-duty or structural applications. On the other hand, a Finish nailer fires thicker 15 or 16-gauge nails, which are more robust and provide superior holding strength. These nails typically range from 1 inch to 3½ inches in length. The thicker gauge and larger size make Finish nails ideal for securing heavier materials such as hardwoods or medium-density fiberboard (MDF). However, the larger size of the nails also means they leave more noticeable holes in the material, which often require filling and sanding to achieve a smooth finish. The choice of nail size and material is crucial when selecting between these two tools, as it directly impacts the durability and appearance of the finished project. Application and project suitability. The suitability of brad nailers and finish nailers depends on the type of project and the materials involved. A brad nailer is best suited for light-duty tasks that require precision and minimal holding power. It is commonly used for attaching thin trims, decorative moldings, paneling, or assembling small woodworking projects. Brad nailers are particularly effective with softwoods or thin materials prone to splitting under pressure. They are also ideal for temporary fixes or holding pieces together while glue sets, as their smaller nails can be easily removed without causing significant damage. In contrast, a finish nailer is designed for more demanding applications that require greater holding strength. It is commonly used for installing baseboards, crown moldings, window casings, door frames, cabinetry, and even flooring. Finish nailers are capable of handling denser materials like hardwoods or MDF with ease, making them suitable for both structural and aesthetic projects. While they provide a stronger hold than brad nailers, they do leave larger holes that may require additional finishing work to conceal. For this reason, finish nailers are often chosen for projects where strength takes precedence over appearance. Both tools have their place in woodworking and carpentry. A brad nailer excels in delicate tasks where precision is key and material damage must be minimized. Meanwhile, a finish nailer is better suited for larger-scale projects requiring durability and strength. Understanding the specific requirements of your project will help you determine which tool is the best fit. Nail size and material. The type of nails used by brad nailers and finish nailers plays a significant role in their performance and application. Brad nailers use 18-gauge nails, which are thin with small heads that make them less visible once driven into the material. These nails typically range from 1/2 inch to 2 inches in length. Their smaller size makes them ideal for delicate work where aesthetics matter most, such as attaching lightweight trim or decorative moldings. However, because they lack substantial holding power, they are not suitable for tasks involving heavy or dense materials. Finish nailers use thicker 15 or 16-gauge nails, which provide greater holding strength than brad nails. These nails range from 1 inch to 3/2 inches in length and are designed to secure heavier materials like hardwoods or MDF effectively. The larger diameter of finish nails ensures a stronger bond, but leaves more noticeable holes in the material that often require filling before painting or staining. This makes them better suited for structural applications or projects where durability is essential. When choosing between these tools, it's important to consider both the size of the nails and the type of material being worked on. Brad nailers are perfect for softwoods or thin materials that could split under pressure from thicker nails, while finish nailers excel in handling dense materials that demand a stronger hold. So, which one is better? The choice between a brad nailer and a finish nailer depends on your specific needs. A brad nailer excels in delicate precision work with minimal risk of material damage, while a finish nailer is better suited for heavy-duty projects requiring strong holding power. Many professionals find it beneficial to own both tools as they complement each other well across various woodworking tasks. Whether you're crafting fine furniture or installing durable moldings, selecting the right tool will ensure efficient results tailored to your project's requirements.